In the next 2 weeks, the Agriculture Minister should receive a report of all sugar lands in Jamaica as part of plans to use other lands for farming. The aim is to boost local production and reduce Jamaica's food import bill.
It's time for action now. Time for action.
Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Audley Shaw as he addressed farmers at a National Irish Potato Stakeholders Seminar in Manchester. One objective, to use other lands for agriculture. That includes those in the bauxite sector.
I have ordered, Mr. Cranberry has promised to report to me within 2 weeks. I want a report on all lands owned by the Sugar Company of Jamaica. We're going to determine how much we keep in sugar, and the rest of it we are going to lease out for production in a wide range of other things.
For example, coconuts.
We're going to start with a place called Water Valley in St. Mary. 1,000 acres. 1,000 acres of land lying idle that can plant coconut. We're going to put that into production starting this year.
Irish potato is another example. Through the Agricultural Push Start program and other initiatives, the plan is to increase local production of Irish potato and reduce import.
We must therefore reach a point where not only do we supply fresh potatoes to the Caribbean, we must grow enough Irish potato that we start to process it into French fries and sell it to Kentucky and sell it to Burger King and the other people out here in Jamaica too.
And when it comes to medical marijuana,
they have extracted the oil and tested it at the University of the West Indies and found that the Jamaican ganja oil has a 94% level of purity. Purity. You know what the world average is for the purity of ganja oil? 70%. So see there again, Jamaica ahead again.
Minister Shaw also pledged to fix farm roads across the island as $800 million has been allocated in the budget. He officially opened a section of the Big Pond Farm Road in Manchester, which was recently repaired.